Yo, what's going on, everybody? I'm going to show you how to put some Apple CarPlay into a car that didn't come with any real technology or outdated technology. So we're going to add some Apple CarPlay to the G8, and we're going to see how it looks on the inside once we get it all installed. Let's check it out.
Warning. This video is for your enjoyment and to encourage all car and truck enthusiasts alike. No goal is too big when your dreams are involved. No cars or trucks were harmed in the making of this video.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is just a quick video I'm making for people who want to add Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to their G8 or GTO or any other older car for that matter. But this is just a quick little video. I'm going to show you guys how I put mine in here, and I'll send a link down in the description below so you guys can have access to this as well. I'm going to get this thing mounted up, and I'll show you how it works. So my wife got this for me for my birthday off of Amazon. You know, she's an Amazon freak. But it comes in this box, almost like an iPhone box, kind of. But anyway, it's not even a branded box. You know how those Chinese things operate. But it came in this box. It was, you know, all sealed in. There goes the directions. It's pretty straightforward. I thought it came with like a mount for the glass, but it didn't. It just came with like this little sticky pad. But here goes all the instructions and so on and so forth. If you know how to operate an iPhone or your Android, you know, it's pretty self-explanatory. So what I was thinking, and it comes with a little camera on the back as well. So excuse my neighbor blowing his horn like he's a freaking maniac. But anyway, so I was thinking about probably putting it up here some kind of way, you know, just so it's easier. I wanted it to be right here, and I probably can put it right here. I just gotta get a good way to mount it up, and it should be fine. But we're gonna see. But let me get this mounted up, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so right now I'm just adding some double-sided tape to the bottom of it. Excuse the mess in here. I was trying to gather some things, but anyway. But this is the stuff that comes on the bottom of this thing, and when it gets hot in here, this stuff likes to melt, and then, you know, next thing you know, your unit will be on the ground somewhere. So I just took this stuff off, and I'm just gonna use double-sided tape because I know I'll have better results with double-sided tape than this gooey stuff. So let's get this thing mounted. All right, it's installed. We got it plugged into our power source, the cigarette lighter, and it comes with a little USB port in case you still need to charge your phone. I just kind of cleaned up this area so it wasn't all cluttered with wires. I just moved the phone cord to the center console right here. But everything's in. I tucked the wire best I can right into these panels right here. Only thing that's showing is this. I'm still going to try to figure out a way to hide this wire right here. But for now, it's fine. It's in. So let's start it up and let's see what we got. Okay, so now we're connected. Bluetooth is connected. We hooked up to Wi-Fi. This thing does have Wi-Fi, so you can stream like videos and things like that. But obviously we can't do that right now because we're filming. So we're gonna go to phone. Now I'm using the Waze app. I just kind of typed in some directions just so you can kind of see how it works. But you know, we all know how the maps are. But it's not, you don't just have to use the Waze app. You can come in and you can go to the Apple Maps as well. So it lets me do it. There we go. Scroll over, you know, you got all your phone contacts and stuff. Apple Music, Maps, Messages, Smart Screen Podcast, everything, pretty much everything a regular Apple CarPlay setup would have. What else do we have? Let's go to the music, because that's important. It's a little laggy because I'm recording through Bluetooth on my phone. I was just listening to Drake not long ago. But you can go to all the your library settings. Here's all the library settings. You can scroll up. Everything that's in your library, it can pull up through here. You can scroll with your thumb, or you can use the arrows over here. It's just laggy because it's Bluetooth and I'm recording on the same device that that I'm hooked up to. If you want to hear some Janet Jackson, it's not gonna let me play it, but you get the idea. Get all your music, and then we can go back to the home screen, and we can hit Apple Maps. And it just shows you everything you need to see. But yeah, this is just a quick video. If you were looking to add some Apple CarPlay to your car, any car, and you're not good with wiring or anything like that, this is probably a perfect option for you. It's not that I'm bad with wiring, but I just don't feel like doing that. And my wife drives a G8 now, so I just wanted her to have some updated tech. She actually bought me this thing for the GTO right there, but I just rather her had this in here, so when she's driving my son around, or our son around, she's able to type in directions to wherever she needs to go. She's able to have access to her music right away, and just more hands-free. And this is all Bluetooth. This isn't the phone hooked up to this at all. This is all hands-free Bluetooth Apple CarPlay. So this is a pretty good thing to have for your car if you have an older car that doesn't have any updated tech. Like the G8 is a 09, and that was the most tech you were going to get right there. But yeah, I added that in there. She paid under $200 for it. I don't even think it was. I think we got it on sale on Prime Day, and she bought it, and it's here, and it looks good up there. So if you guys want to add this to your car, I'll be sure to add the link to the description below, and you guys let me know what you think. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward, everybody. The thing, it plugs directly into your cigarette lighter, and you get your Apple CarPlay instantly. You don't have to worry about any wires or any electrical work that you have to do. For people that aren't really savvy with things like that, it's simple as just plugging it in. And it's a pretty good display. This is pretty much how much space it takes up on a dash. It's not very invasive at all. Right now I just have the navigation up with the current song that I'm playing right now. But yeah, if you guys have any more questions or comments about this thing, drop them down below. Be sure to leave me a like, and make sure you guys subscribe. I'll have informational videos here and there, as well as our vlog videos too. So hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace.